Alright, in this video I'm going to be staining this pressure treated staircase that I built in a previous video. You can see that it is a sienna brown instead of the older school green pressure treated wood that you used to see. And for this I'm using a Sicko product called ProLux. Natural is the color and it's SRD RE wood finish. And it adds a bit of color to the staircase, but you'll see that a bit later. But mainly it just gives it a bit of a shine, and it gives it more of a cedar look, I would say. I've already done this flower planter so you can see how it looks. The flower planter was 6x6s, also sienna brown. It looks a little different than how the staircase comes out, but that is a finished product. For this, it just paints on like paint. There's nothing too special about it. It's very quick to do and it's very easy. Overall, you just get a big brush. Obviously be careful around the edges where you could come into contact with your J-channel and your siding, that sort of thing. But other than that, you just paint it on, don't put it on too thick, and just make sure you don't get any runs. And overall, it's fast and easy to do. To stain both the planter and the staircase, I only needed a half a can of the stain, so you can get quite a bit of staining done with just one can. And it really gives it a cedar look. It does give it a little bit of a shine, so if you don't like shininess, then maybe it's not the product for you. Obviously with it still wet, it looks like it's a little bit shinier, but as it dries, some of that shine comes down. So if you wanted a really shiny product, this might not be the one for you, but if you want something that's going to dry and have a bit of a flatter look to it, then this is probably a good product. Do you need to stain pressure treated wood? Not really, but it is going to help with the longevity of the wood. It will help prevent moisture from getting in, and it will reduce the chances of rot as well. And that's just sort of a comparison of what the top looks like after I finished it with the rest. So if you like that a bit more of a shiny, cedary kind of color, this is a perfect stain. But if you just like the look of the natural wood, maybe just leave it. Like I said, pressure treated wood is pretty good by itself and it will last a long time, but adding stain will enhance the longevity of the product. Overall, I really do like the stain. I do like a little bit of a shine on it, and I do like a bit of a deeper cedar color. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.